residuals as a named element, and they will be numeric, or I'm going to cast them as numeric. Um, so what am I saying here? Uh, results is going to be uh, again, basically a list, a named list. So instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it'll be, you know, coefficients, which will be like the uh, A, B, and C, I guess, and the residuals. Or A, B, and the residuals will be C. You know, haven't run this yet, but you know, that makes sense to me. uh, okay, so then next. Okay, lit summary equal r dot summary result. Okay, so summary is a method, takes an object, which is a list, um, a named list, and it's going to return um, probably a list itself, uh, because I'm going to, let me see if I got everything right. Summary as list, r squared as numeric. This expression should have type unit, but it's not, has, huh. Oh, we're going to leave it like that for right now and see what happens. Okay. And then finally plot result. And what's result again? Results this named list. So what if I really wanted to know what result was? So result is being created by this um, method here, by the linear regression method in R. So if I wanted to know the structure of result, I'd go to R. I would go to the library, pull up the linear regression package, and read through what the linear regression method returns. Okay, so I don't have to just sit here and blindly um, try to rationalize it out for myself. There's a source for that, source for getting that information. Hmm. Okay, so it doesn't like these last two. Uh, doesn't like these last two um, commands we gave it. So, but let's go ahead and look at the program, right? So we're going to use all of these references we added. We are going to create some symbolic representations of uh, F sharp uh, methods that create a double random variable. We're going to create 10 random variables based on a scale of 10, a scale of 5. We're going to solve for a function, a mathematical function, based on those that will give us a y value. Um, we're going to map them into a data frame, that an R-type data frame that we can uh, hand off to an R method that will fit a linear regression to this model. uh, that what it returns to us will be a list of information. We'll want the coefficients and we'll want the residuals. We want them as numbers. And um, then we also want to utilize the summary function or method of R to provide us another list of information, which we will pull R squared, and then finally we'll plot our plot results. Okay, so the blue lines bother me, but let's see if we can execute this. Okay, so okay, so um, looks like I got what I asked it for. um, I'm going to post this. I'm going to post this video. I think there's still some things I want to understand a little bit better. In particular, I'd like to see some of these variable changes, but I think we're getting a little bit long here, and I've rambled on a good bit while we were doing this. Uh, so I hope I've exposed some things that I may have misinterpreted, other than the yeah, just in general. So feel free to redirect me on things I may have misinterpreted. If you're coming to this at the same level that I am, I played around a little bit with R, played around a little bit with F sharp, a little bit more experienced overall with the Visual or the .NET framework or the Visual Studio. Great. Hope this was of some help to you. Either way, if you do something like this, let me know about it so I can go see what you did. And hopefully, like I said, this is instructive both for people who may look at it and for people who are willing to give me feedback. Um, that's it, guys. I think it ran as it was told to run. It reads as you would expect a functional language to read, and I just want to try to understand why these blue lines are here. And I think I will be happy to say check in the box of using F sharp R data type provider first time through. All right, thanks everybody.